Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Faizan, and in today's video we will learn how to implement a time in Unity 3D. So I have this basic scene set up with two label where I will show seconds, and in another label I will show minutes. So I have created this timer script and attached to my canvas. You can attach this kind of a script on any game object. For organization purposes, I have put this on canvas and assign my both references seconds and minutes inside in this script. So this is an empty script with just two variables where I have hold seconds and minute UI references in order to show my seconds and minute on this UI labels. If you are not using test mesh pro, you can use the simple text or any variable you like. And I will also create another private variable which will be float, and it is called time. This will hold the overall time of this game, and then later we will use this time variable to calculate seconds, minutes, and even hours. So how should we know that what time have passed when we started the game? So this is actually simple. We will use this time and just add the time dot delta time on it. So remember, I'm just adding this time dot delta time inside this time variable again and again. So I know that the delta time is actually the difference between two frames. So we are counting this, we are getting this time and just accumulating all the time in this time variable. So this is actually a time in seconds. So if I show this into my text seconds label here, just convert it to toString, and you can see that the seconds are perfectly showing, but with some floating values. We want to eliminate this floating value as well, and this is all making straightforward. This is our seconds. As we run our game, the timer start working. So how should we know? How should we trim this floating points and show the full seconds? And the next, how we will convert this seconds into minutes. So let's go back to our editor. The next thing we have to do is to convert this time to integer. So for this reason, we will go to mathf dot rotate. Yes, we convert it to integer value. We will go back. We have this seconds conversion. The floating conversion has eliminated, and now the seconds are showing correctly, but as you know that it's passed to 60 and now it turned into 85, 86. So how should we revert it to seconds? So for this reason, another thing we have to do is to use the modulus operator, and use it here. So now it will convert back to 0 and 1 after passing the 60 count of 60. The second thing that we want to show is the minutes. Let's get the minute reference and show this minutes here. Then so I can make another variable with put and call minutes, and just divide this time with 60. So this is actually the raw format. See that the minutes are showing, and we don't want it to be this way, so we will do the same like we did with the seconds. Just go to here and you can see that the seconds are also converting from 60 to 0, and the minutes is also working fine. Now another thing we can do is to speed up this whole process. Like if you want to speed up our time to twice, so what can we do? We will add a public variable and integer. Let's say we want to speed up twice. Just multiply this. You can see that now our seconds are pretty fast, and we can even speed up more, like we call it 5. Even speed up with 50, even 60. So our minutes will be run like seconds. And with the same conversion, you can also convert minutes into hours. So I hope that you will like this video, and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.